how's it going? It's Sam Frost here, and in this really quick video we're just looking at the difference between a custom audience on Facebook and a lookalike audience. So long story short, a custom audience is really the base unit. A custom audience is where you say to Facebook, hey, find me the people via the Facebook pixel who are already viewing my site, or who are completing my checkout process, or who are adding products to their cart and then abandoning the cart. That's your custom audience. It's data you've already got from existing site visitors, basically. A lookalike audience is where you take that data and then allow Facebook to find you people who are most similar to that audience. So if you've had a certain number of people come to your website and complete the checkout process and successfully purchase a product, you can say to Facebook, hey, find me people who are most similar to those who make it through that whole checkout process and purchase my products. So what you can do is leverage those custom audiences for things like remarketing, and then you can leverage the lookalike versions of those custom audiences to basically reach new potential customers, often at quite a competitive cost per acquisition or cost per acquiring those new customers. So custom audiences are existing data, and then lookalike audiences are leveraging that existing data to actually go out there and reach new potential customers. I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe for more digital marketing tutorials, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.